How to create GIFs on Telegram. Hi guys, let's get started immediately. Now the first thing you want to do is to be on your Telegram app. So I'm just going to tap on Telegram. Now locate the person you want to send the GIF to. Now you want to go to the attach icon at the bottom of your screen and then you're going to be tapping on it. Now you're going to choose whichever video you would like to turn into your GIF. Make sure they are short videos because GIFs are short videos. Now the next thing would be you muting the sound of this video because GIFs do not have sounds. Then tap on send and this video will be sent as a GIF. It's even written on top of the video that it's now a GIF. Now guys, you can actually save this and send this to other of your friends on Telegram as a GIF. And this is exactly how you create GIFs on Telegram. Now if you found this video helpful, you want to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more useful tutorials like this. Now I will see you in my next video. Bye.